Welcome to the Entrepreneurship Hub at BSB. Here in the Giraffe, we are creating a dedicated community for transforming your entrepreneurial ideas into action. It's a place where each school day is an opportunity to innovate and grow.
By joining us, you'll embark on a comprehensive journey from concept to market. You'll learn to identify problems, develop solutions, and utilize our school's extensive facilities to create prototypes and market your products.
Beyond the learning experience, the Hub offers real work opportunities. You'll gain practical evidence through projects, enhancing your academic CV and opening doors to future career opportunities.
We also provide internship opportunities, allowing you to apply your skills in a real-world setting, further boosting your academic profile and giving you a competitive edge.
The Entrepreneurship Hub at BSB is not just about ideas, it's about making them happen. Join us to transform your entrepreneurial dreams into reality, gain invaluable experience, and enhance your academic journey. Sign up now and start making a difference.